Good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome in, everybody getting into the chat. What is going on with crypto today? Hope everyone had a great holiday weekend. Andres, welcome in from Poland, man. Welcome. As you guys get in the chat, make sure you guys all smash that like button. We're going to talk for 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes maybe. Just kind of give you guys the rundown what's going on with all things crypto. Slacker, what's happening, man? Welcome. As you guys get in, make sure you double tap that screen. Let's get some thumbs up going. Get everybody fired up. We're seeing, some movement right now. Everything's kind of going nuts. Bitcoin's back over 57,000. We did dip down below 55 ever so briefly. That's all still coming from those Mt. Gox liquidations. And, my honest opinion, obviously, I don't blame those people for taking, I don't know if you call it profits. Most likely it's profits, but the rationale is those funds have been tied up for quite some time. So, seeing Bitcoin hit all-time highs, not being able to touch it, and now with all the bankruptcy proceedings kind of looking to be concluded, I think this is where you're seeing these repayments, right, really start to have an influence on the market. So that's what we're looking at. I think another thing worth talking about is a lot of inflows with Ethereum ETFs. That headline's kind of subseded the rest of the news in the market, but it has been something where we have noticed a lot of inflows with Ethereum. Okay, I think the biggest narrative right now is how bullish can we get on Bitcoin. It's at low levels. I was talking to you guys in a previous live stream about what my plans were. Not financial advice, but in my opinion, this is something where I'm going to start looking into how I'm going to be adding Bitcoin every single day as we ride out this downturn. Okay, I think we're seeing a lot of positive momentum, but there's something kind of plaguing the market where we still have that uncertainty, and it's looming. It's not enough to grab not just the institutionals, but the also retail game. That is something that's worth talking about. So, we've talked about the levels. You could look at Bitcoin's chart. I did a video that I'm going to be releasing today, kind of going over some of the chart in its entirety, but we've bounced off of this level probably 3 or 4 times in recent time, and it's very important that we do so. It's not a level where Bitcoin's comfortably trading below. So I do think that, there is a lot of there's a huge floor that's been established, and I'm not like panicking. I'm not getting rid of all of my crypto. I'm not thinking, oh my God, Bitcoin's going to continue to sell off. Some people are thinking it is. Some people think that we're going to see 53,000, maybe a little bit below that. I just look at these levels. If we do get a little bit of a push, this is a discount on Bitcoin right now. So kind of my thoughts in this morning. D-Gred, thanks for the comment, man. Appreciate you. But welcome in, guys. We have a lot of people in the chat. If you can, put those thumbs up. We're going to be talking some crypto. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to talk about as we wake up, kind of enter the market. Crypto crazy, yeah. Welcome, good morning. But huge amount of inflows, okay? A lot of people think that the Mt. Gox sales are probably priced in to the price levels that we're having right now, which I could see that. I'm not going to be in opposition to that. I think that personally Bitcoin is just way too cheap right now. That's just my 2 cents. So let me know what you think. And then if you've looked at the overall market, I do want to share with you guys kind of some stuff that's going on with that. We have a lot of people in the chat. Make sure you guys all double tap that screen. Let's get those thumbs up going. We're seeing double-digit gains from a lot of memes out there, a lot of the layer ones, a lot of the top 100 cryptos. We're getting a nice little push here on this Monday. But yeah, the big story is Bitcoin, and if we've since kind of just abandoned that sell-off, let's see what happens with that. So Preskill, what's up, man? Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate the comment, all the love. If you guys want to talk about any other cryptos, feel free to drop them down below in the chat. We have about 15 minutes left of this live stream. I'm going to be going kind of on this crypto morning wake up. Where are you guys all hailing in from? I have a feeling that a lot of people tuning in are not from the United States, so yeah, okay, yeah, crypto crazy. Yeah, that would be a huge sell-off if you do believe that. That would cause a lot of panic in the market, I could tell you that. D-Gred. Yeah, man, awesome. If you're moving that much weight, shout out to you. That's awesome. If you do want to trade with leverage, though, check out one of my videos. I do have a channel sponsor with Margex. There is a bonus if you sign up using my link. So if you do trade on leverage, make sure you, if you want to help out the channel, I do get a little bit of a sign-up bonus as well if you do sign up for my account. A lot of people have been having a lot of success trading leverage with Bitcoin and Ethereum. I do it personally a lot with Solana. Just love that volatility. Zishan, any suggestions for beginners? Well, not financial advice, but appreciate the comment. I will give you kind of, what was told to me. I will just kind of reiterate that. As always, it's kind of important to diversify. That's the biggest thing. I learned early on, don't put all your eggs in a basket, especially with crypto. And I would say what I mean by that is just don't buy, 5 of the top 10. That's one way of doing it. But when I say diversify, I mean, small cap meme coins, mid caps, some of the top 10 cryptos that you believe in. That's a good blue chips. So you have your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, and just like, just the age-old true methods: dollar cost average, lower your cost basis, buy dips, all that good stuff. Me personally, when I do my trading, I use a trading indicator. That way I feel like I get in the best possible levels. I do have a link below in the description. If you do want to hook up my trading indicator to your TradingView account, that is a very strong asset that I use with every step along the way with my crypto trading. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, though, for all the suggestions for beginners. But thank you for the comment, Zishan. I do not know how to pronounce that, but I will just call you AK. Soon we see 100,000. Yeah, there's a lot of people out there that are bullish. I've seen as high as 150,000 too. So that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, it's been a wild ride. If you would have told me that Bitcoin would hit all-time highs, and we see so many of these top cryptos just lagging continuously, right? A big one that I'm into is ADA, XRP. We talk about those pretty much every day on the channel. Just kind of shocking to me that we haven't got those pumps for those cryptos. But it is so very early. The biggest thing I kind of tell everybody too, what I've been noticing is back in 2021, for those of you that have been involved or in around for that long, the biggest thing I've noticed is it's more so we have just way more cryptos. So if you look at the user adoption, you look at wallets, you look at all those numbers, nothing on that metric has really grown per se. So that's kind of the interesting point is, you know, we have the same amount of market cap, but it's relatively exponential, the number of cryptos. I mean, look at the meme coins, right? In 2021, we had Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, and now in 2024, we have 9 cryptos in the top 100. So that's just food for thought. Preskill, what is the best coin to invest in? Wow. For me, the best coin to invest in is obviously going to be Bitcoin. That's just my 2 cents, not financial advice. If you believe in crypto, you have to believe in Bitcoin. That's just how I view it. There are a lot of cryptos that I can give you guys, just kind of my picks, my sleeper picks. Yeah, Craig, I really feel Ondo. That's a big one. Not just Ondo, but there's a couple other ones I have on my radar. I believe in Caspa. I believe in, I think Chainlink has a lot of momentum. I like the SI token. I like AI. Those are some of the fields I got. We go into meme coins. I do like, my biggest meme coin holding right now is Bread on Base. I'm big on Base Chain right now. Base Chain plays in meme coins. That's kind of my bread and butter right now in terms of trading. Yeah, so that's kind of how I feel about it. Yeah, Toncoin's been a kind of a surprise for most, right? Getting into the top 10, definitely noteworthy. Zshan, any update of XRP coin? Yeah, I just have a video coming out today. There was an analyst that's predicting an 8,000% increase, liking XRP to the tone of Apple, talking about it in terms of that, in terms of what kind of growth we can see. XRP, though, there really won't be any update till we get some final conclusion to what's going on in the courthouse, right? That's the biggest story. That's number one on the radar. XRP needs to get out of the courthouse and into the crypto market. You know, I talk about XRP a lot, and in every one of my videos, I kind of allude to the fact that with an XRP, if you go back to 2022 and you look at that low point, right? It's basically 2 years from now, or 2 years going back from now. And we've been on like a slow and steady gradual incline. I have a video coming out today where I draw a line on the chart, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And that's something that I think is very noteworthy, in my opinion, because yeah, it's sluggish. Yes, it's underperforming the rest of the market. It's not going anywhere, but still, it is appreciating. It is still, you know, basically in terms of investments, I guess you'd call it. It's not financial advice, but it is definitely, in my opinion, still doing better than any other vehicle that I could get into personally. So appreciate you guys. We have a ton of people in the chat. If you want to help out the channel, do me a solid. Double tap the screen or hit those 3 white dots and give me a like. Smash that like button. Great way to help us out here on YouTube. It also lets YouTube know that we are live. And if you can, you want to know more about crypto, feel free to subscribe if you want to join the channel. Totally free to do so. So we have a couple other people in the chat shouting out some coins. News about ADA. No new news, really. The Chang hard fork, that's where all eyes are going to be on. Historically, you know, the last hard fork that Cardano had, the last upgrade, it was very bullish. We did get some momentum from that. So mid-July is when that is expected to go on. So that's something you got to have on your calendar, definitely, when it comes to ADA. We'll see what happens with the price. ADA right now is a severely discounted level, in my opinion. I've bought Cardano as high as $3 and as low as 25 cents. So, you know, it's another one of those cryptos. It's not flashy, but if you believe in the tech and what they're doing, just got to trust the process. But yeah, the Chang hard fork, that's the big one we got coming up in mid-July. So stay tuned for more updates on that. Dogecoin, yeah, same kind of deal. We're just waiting in the balance. 13 cents for Doge. I talk about it from a TA perspective. It's comfortable at that 16, 18 cents level. That's where, it likes to consolidate, but right now it's still below moving averages, and it's just kind of hanging out. It doesn't have that catalyst. It's not the flashy meme coin that we can find in Solana, base chain. So that's kind of how I view that. But yeah, there's a lot of hope that Cardano and Dogecoin can do well, but we're kind of just stuck, man. It's just painful. At these levels where Bitcoin's all-time highs, it's just very unfortunate that we don't have more of a push coming from the market. So we have a couple catalysts in the balance, right? We have the presidential election in the United States. That's a big one. I think that is kind of going underappreciated, in my personal opinion. I think that's going to be a huge mover. Also, we have inflation rates coming down, expected in the fall. So it is what it is. Inflation's up, so you think crypto should be up too, but unfortunately, crypto still behaves for the most part like it's like any other asset on the S&P or in the stock exchange, more like traditional finance would. So that's just kind of the world we're in. Yeah, man, Ramiro. I've bought Cardano back when Cardano was third in market cap. That's when I started to accumulate Cardano. So kind of with you on that one. You've probably been holding for longer than me then. But anyways, Pepe coin, yeah, that's another one. Just no utility, no purpose, but it pumps. Conversely, dog with hat. They've had a huge month. That seems to be the winner for June, in my opinion. But Pepe coin, can't deny them what they're going to be doing for sure. I'm in a couple small caps too. Kind of hoping for them to do well. I got in really early in a project that I think does have some wings. Not financial advice, but if you're looking for a meme coin to kind of get into, there's one on base chain as well. It's Shibnobi. So kind of a kicking the tires within, I guess what they're trying to do, right? For those of you that were back in 2021, if you know about Cliff, you know about, Shinja and all the whales that they had 70,000 holders, and a group of individuals are basically trying to kick the tires and create another Shibnobi on base. So check that one out if you're looking for a little small cap play. I was able to get in super early, so I'm about 4 or 5x from where we're at right now, and 300 some holders. So it's still, I'm very bullish on that. I think the next step within these meme coins, you got to get above $1 million market cap. You get above 1 million, and then you can start talking some crazy stuff. But I just truly don't think whales start paying notice or attention until these meme coins hit $1 million. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. But thanks, Ramiro. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Make sure you guys all subscribe too, not just Ramiro. Also, if you can hit that like button, give back to the channel, appreciate it. Yeah. Am I rich? I mean, what do you define rich? I'm not hurting, if that's what you're trying to see. But crypto has been very kind and very ruthless at times. But unfortunately, I don't have to rely on crypto for my way of life. So it's not always about the money either. You got to keep grinding. I do this for fun. But yeah, it is very much a area where I like to just talk about crypto. I like having a platform, so kind of just why I do it, I guess I should say. What do I think about Solana? Well, what do you guys think about Solana? But no, Solana, in terms of how I trade Solana, obviously I use it as currency when I'm transacting on the Solana blockchain. That's a given. But you know, Solana is kind of different in my perspective. I've been trading it for quite some time, and I do so a little differently than most. When I do trade Solana, it's more so swing trading. You know, that's a volatile crypto, and volatility is great for how I trade sometimes, especially with, you know, I talked a little bit about my trading indicator XT Algo. There is a link in the description if you do want a promo code for that. But nope, I just go off that and I get momentum up, momentum down. I trade on daily candles, and you know, I can make some extreme swings within Solana. I love its volatility. So that's how I play it. I think Solana could easily get to $500. It is just what it is. It can go up 50 one day and down 50 another day. My goal with Solana is just to basically keep trading meme coins and funnel it back and just accumulate as much Solana as possible. And that way, if it booms, you know, you might have a 2, 3, 4, 5x with Solana within the next 3 years. That's just kind of how I view it. Is Pepe coin worthy? Well, I'll answer that question by kind of prefacing that, saying that I don't think any crypto is necessarily worthy. It's a strong community, but you know, just like with everything else, it gets manipulated very easily. And you know, the Pepe coin whales are real, but right now with meme coins, it just seems like, what's the flavor of the week, right? We get one that pumps, then they'll jump ship, use it to get into the next one, and then rinse, wash, repeat. So Pepe coin gets its pumps, it gets its dumps, you know, and then, you know, people just, the whales, the main market movers, they're just bouncing around. So how I view that, I don't think any really crypto is worthy, with the exception of the few that do have actual utility within the world, real world applications. But thanks for all tuning in. We have a ton of people in the chat. If you want to do me a solid, subscribe to the channel. Also smash that like button if you have not done so. We do talk crypto every single day right here on the channel. So appreciate you all tuning in. We only have 5 thumbs up though. Let's get some more likes in the house. Books I read. Well, I'm not a big book guy. I'm a big, I'm more into sports. So the free time I do have available, I do find myself watching sports, playing sports. But summertime's kind of hard. You know, I got kids, and pretty much all my free time goes to basically having charts up all night, and you know, team no sleep here. Kind of my life right now. So it's just a continual grind. You know, probably 4 hours of sleep every night, and then I just do this on the side. But when I'm not trading crypto, I like to play sports, watch sports, and if it wasn't for that, I'd probably cancel my TV subscription, because I really don't have any time to watch TV. Not enough time in the day. Self-help books, yeah, there's a ton of those. For sure. But there's probably 3 to 5 that I would recommend for that. I have dabbled in those recently. But appreciate you guys all tuning in. I am going to sign off though. Just wanted to give you guys a quick market update. We've been going about 30 minutes. Like to do these live streams, kind of connect with you guys. We have crypto videos every single day on the channel. So if you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, you'll never miss a beat when we do drop a video. And follow me on X. So I'm going to go, but if you want a list of those self-help books, I believe, is it Galton? Is that how you pronounce it? If so, send me a message on X, and I'll give you that list if you're looking for some self-help books. I have no problem with trying to help you guys out with if you're going through some stuff mentally. You know, that's something you definitely want to take care of. So appreciate you guys, all that you subscribed. I really do appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. Just trying to use my platform in the best way possible kind of, help you guys with not necessarily any advice. I'm not going to tell you ever how to trade crypto. I'm never going to tell you when to buy, what to buy, but I can tell you how and what I'm doing and what's going through my head. So that's kind of how I view it. So hope you guys all have a great start to your week. We'll be back on the channel, hopefully do a live stream shortly. So make sure you turn on the notification bell. Also, if you do check out any of my other videos, if you want to help the channel, I do get a small affiliate bonus if you do sign up with some of our channel sponsors. I have Margex. Also, that's my leverage trading platform. So if you do want to get hooked up on that, check out Margex. Also, XT Algo is my trading indicator. Very invaluable tool I use on every one of my crypto trades. There's a promo code for that. So sign up for both of those if you do want to get started. That's something where, obviously stay as diverse as possible. Never, ever, ever, ever think you have it down pat. There's always room for improvement. That's kind of how I view it. Always keep grinding. It is a marathon, not a sprint. So appreciate you all. See you all in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. We'll be back on the channel later on today, and look forward to speaking to you guys very shortly. Cheers.